Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can change the background of your Zoom camera with iPhone. You just need to open the Zoom application first, and there will be like some sections in the bottom side. Go click into the more or with these remote dots and just go open the settings and click the meetings. Now you just need to focus on the video. There will be like a background and effects there, so you just need to tap it. So you will have an option about the camera simulations here. This is the original or normal version of your camera. If you want to change the background, you just need to take a look on this bottom side here and drag it into the top side. So there will be like an option to use the background. You can use the background that provided by the Zoom application itself, or you can also choose from your library by clicking this plus button. Then just tap it, and then the background will be automatically changing. So this is the simulation of the background that you have later on your camera or Zoom meeting. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.